The service interphone system lets the ground crew talk to the flight deck. The components in the service interphone system are highlighted. Move the mouse over each area for more data. Select the green arrow to advance. There are two external service interphone jacks on this airplane. One is on the P40 panel in the nose wheel well. The second external jack is on the P57 panel in the main wheel well. The jacks connect to a common data network through an audio gateway unit, AGU. The service interphone switch connects the service interphone system to the flight interphone system. The signal goes through a remote data concentrator to the common data network. The service interphone signal and the service interphone audio goes to the audio control panel's ACP through a high-speed fiber optic data bus. The ACPs also process the audio to and from the flight deck.